So this video is about how to use a burette in a titration. So titrations are used to find the concentration of an analyte in a solution, determining the stoichiometry of a reaction, finding the number of electrons gained or accepted in a reaction, or just finding any solubility products that happen.
Before beginning the titration, the concentration and the volume of the NaOH is needed. In order for you to collect the data, you need the final initial volume of the final initial volume and the mass of the solution of the concentration you're trying to find.
To measure the volume, you read from the bottom of the meniscus. And then right here you can see it's around 29.674. And you go to the second decimal place because it's divided into 10 segments and the extra decimal point makes it a little more accurate. And after you've lost or used some of the solution, you measure it again the same way by reading at the bottom of the meniscus. And here it is 37.1.
Before you use your burette, you need to make sure that you rinse with water back and forth, and then 3 times, and then you need to rinse it with the titrant 3 times. In this case, it's NaOH, and just make sure that there's nothing inside the burette whenever you start your experiment.
The initial volume of the solution is about 7.91. Just gotta swirl it to make sure it's mixed well. The final volume of the solution is at about 42.97.
We have 7.45 roughly, and you can't even figure it out. Let it drain slowly. And after you drain it, you need to swirl it. Swirl it because it's not fully circulated throughout it. If it just lands in the middle, it's just going to stay pink because it's sitting in a little pool of it. We need to get a light pink color in order to be able to stop and make sure we got it right. And this is the light pink solution that we need. And it has 25.95 roughly as the final.
You're so like sassy. No, that is not sassy. I'm cool because you did. The starting volume is 6.7. You start out by letting just a little bit out at a time.
I need someone's calculator that I can use correctly.
As the pink starts staying, you have to slow down a little because that means you're coming closer to equivalency. It's too pink because I put too much of the NaOH into the solution. So now it's supposed to be a lighter pink, and that just means it's just too much basic.
So what are your
There you go. And the ending value is 25.3.
While you're titrating, no, but you can make sure that you have like the timing and like a set point titration. I have one. Thank you.
The initial volume is around 11.3. Actually, it's going to be 11.27. As it gets closer to the end point, you'll see it become more pink, and then you do it in lesser volumes. Now, final volume is about, see, that's 29.6. 6, 9. And the reason you go to 2 decimal points is because the burette goes to 1 decimal point and then you go an extra one after that.
Be in my position. I'm walking around and everybody in the way.